can you not do this right now?
Go ahead.
Sorry. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Calero back with Homeless Penthouse, and today I'm going to be going over how our canvases are constructed and how you can hang them up with command strips. That's just what we're going to go over today. You can also hang these up with nails if you like. They do come with the little metal clips, but I'm just going to show you guys how to do it with this because this is the way easier, safest way. You don't have to put holes in your wall or anything to hang these canvases up. They are printed with HP latex ink, so it is fade resistant, but it is not water resistant. So I would not advise you to leave these outside or anything like that. But basically our frames are 3/4 of an inch thick, if you guys were wondering. They are reinforced with wood frames, just for a heads up. This is our light bright canvas on the website, if you guys wondered what art piece this is, but I am gonna be hanging up the larger version. I just wanted to show you guys a little art to be able to hold it in my hand. This right here is the canvas I will be hanging up. So I will go over how many command strips you guys actually need to hang up something of this size and weight for it to actually stay on your wall and not fall off. I'm gonna go over exactly what command strips are. Now you can get these at Amazon, Walmart, Target. They're just a couple of bucks. But basically they're little sticky things, and this is how you would apply them to a canvas. Now, they all look the same pieces. There isn't different pieces. They all literally look the same. And you rip it in half, and there's 2 of them. Now, the backs of these are Velcro, so they stick together. So we're just gonna go ahead and stick the first one together for you. You're gonna squish it in, make sure it's attached all the way, because if it's not, your painting will fall off the wall. And make sure both sides have the little command sticky strip on it. One side is gonna stick to the back of the canvas and the other side will stick to the wall. Now for this size canvas right here, this is a 40 by 40 inch. I will probably need a good 8 to 10 maybe command strips just so it can hold the weight. It's a heavy canvas because the back is reinforced with a little extra wood than our smaller size just because of the size of the canvas itself. So I'm gonna put some around the rim of it, and I'm also gonna make sure I get some points within the middle part. All right. Now to stick one of these on, you're gonna peel one side off. How I like to do it, I like to peel the side off to stick to the canvas, and I wait until I stick all of them on to peel the back side off to go on the wall, just so nothing gets stuck to it in the process of sticking the other ones on. I'm gonna take this off. And for the first one, I'm gonna show you guys a little close up. They stick directly. You don't have to use much force, but just make sure you like put it down and hold it for a little while to make sure the adhesive really gets the stick to the canvas. And that's it, and it's stuck on there. And when you're ready to hang it up, you'll just peel off this back sticker and it will just stick to your wall. We're gonna do a few more just to make sure it stays on the wall and doesn't fall off or anything like that. But same process, you just stick the 2 Velcro pieces together, peel one side sticker off. You can see the sticky side. I'm just gonna stick it directly on the other side of the canvas where I put the first one at. We're gonna do on the exact same other side. And like I said, I'm waiting until I stick them all on to peel off the last sticker. But yeah, you're just gonna keep repeating this process until you have enough on your canvas to hold the weight and the size of whatever art piece you choose. For smaller pieces like this, you may only need like 1 to 3 command strips to hold this up. So don't think that you need a million of these little sticky things to hold it on your wall. You don't. It's just the size canvas I'm working with is pretty big and heavy. So I wanna make sure it's secure and it doesn't fall off the wall in the middle of the night or anything. But once again, just gonna stick these 2 Velcro pieces together. You just pop it into place. Peel off the back sticker. You can peel off either side too. They're both the same. Doesn't matter which side you stick to the canvas or the wall. And this one, I'm gonna meet in the middle right here. Stick it on. And I'm gonna leave that on there at the end. And we're just gonna repeat this process a couple times because like I said, I may need 8 to 10 of these to hang up this size canvas. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect a couple of these. In this size pack, a normal size pack, they come in just 2s, not 4s. But this is like a value pack. You can get these on Amazon just for a few bucks. Amazon Prime, it'll be there tomorrow. But I'm gonna rip these in half. And an easier way as well, since they are stuck together, you can just fold them and they'll stick together. And just peel off one side. And then we do the same exact thing, sticking on the other side. Super easy, y'all. Y'all see I'm just sticking these onto the canvas. So right now I have 4 up there. I'm just gonna do a couple of more. So I'm gonna keep sticking them together. This one does not want to come off. Okay. This one I am going to put in the center just to make sure all the weight is evenly distributed. You don't want to put these on here like side by side because you want to make sure you have everything distributed well for like weight distribution when you do have it on the wall. Otherwise, it's just going to fall down if you want to put them all on the top and the bottom. Okay, let's take another pack out. Rip them in half so they're in sets of 2s. And just squish it together. Peel one side off. Y'all see? This one we are going to go ahead and shoot for the bottom. So this bottom corner, I'm just gonna stick it right there. Now you guys are probably wondering what these little tabs are at the bottom. When it comes to removing these off the wall, you'll just pull this little tab and it'll just come off the wall easy for you guys. Super simple, fast and easy to hang up anything. Just gonna keep doing this process. So I'm only gonna do 2 more, I believe. I think I only need about 2 more. So same process, just peel off the backs. Very repetitive. I'm gonna stick this on the other side. Oh, make sure this looks fine. I might have put that one on too low. Y'all can easily peel them off too if you apply them in the wrong spot, and they'll re-stick. And the last one. This last one I'm just gonna put on the bottom of the canvas just to hold it up a little bit. And that's pretty much it. And now we're just gonna peel off the stick backs so I can get it to stick to the wall. And for this size, I did use about 8, just a good estimate. Just gonna go through and peel all the backs off of these.
Do you have one of those converters? Can you go grab it?
Do what? No.
Go grab it and like a slice of bread or something. I'm gonna have him like unbox it.
All right. So I have all of them on.
I need that one. I have one in the house somewhere in my room. Okay, go.
Where do you want me to stick this up at?
Let's put it in the middle of the couch.
Okay. So, are you recording on your phone too, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Huh?
I don't.
Can you try and go grab that?
Okay. Anything else?
No, not really. Maybe one ginger ale.